Okay, so before I get started, I just want to apologise about the lighting. It's so dark outside today, typical. And I have my ring light on, so I do apologise if the lighting is a wee bit dodgy. But I'm just adding a wee bit of concealer to my eyes as a wee bit of an eye base. I've been using the Be Perfect Cosmetics Chroma Concealer to do this for months actually. Kind of realised that I don't really ever actually tell you what I use to like carve out my brows or to kind of use as an eye base. It's always the Be Perfect Cosmetics Concealer. I've been using it for months at this point, pretty much actually since the concealer was released. It's actually quite nice as a like an everyday concealer for like the face, skin, whatever, but not my kind of jam. So I like to use it as an eye base and an eye prep. So I'm gonna get started on the eyes first of all today, guys, because of course we're doing glitter. 'Tis the season and all. Let's get merry. I was maybe thinking of actually using the liquid liner to map out my wing and then fill it in with the black gel liner and then going in with the glitter and stuff. So I think that's actually what I'm going to do instead of creating the shape first of all with the gel. I just kind of feel like using a liquid liner with like a more flexible tip is just going to be so much easier. And just do a couple of wee dots. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to connect all of those dots, and it just makes it so much easier. I don't know how typical that is, but the side that I done off camera was so much easier. So much easier. So I'm going to take the Be Perfect Cosmetics gel liner and I'm going to take this wee flat brush. And I'm just going to fill this in with the black gel liner. I'm actually going to take this liquid shadow from Beauty Bay. I'm not too sure what it's called because it's got makeup at the bottom. Begins with M. It's this really nice green colour, and I'm actually just going to put this over the liner, and I was actually just going to go in with a glitter glue and then just on in with the glitter, but I feel like having the green background kind of like behind the glitter will make the green pop a wee bit more. So I'm just going to use like the wee doe foot applicator to apply it and then just spread it out and patting off like the excess as well. Do you know, it was a year ago today that my brushes released. Technically it's actually a year ago tomorrow, like date wise, but it was Sunday last year that my brushes were launched. While it's still tacky, I'm going to go in with the green glitter. So this is the Glitter Shakers glitter. What shade is this? I'm not too sure. Is it Plush? I think maybe. I'm not too sure. But this glitter is honestly so old and I don't even think I've ever used it. I got this glitter in iMats. Baby got it in iMats. How cute is that? iMats like. I'm sorry if you can hear Kyle out the back working on his car. Oh yeah, that's actually looking really nice. It's not maybe as glittery as I'd maybe want it to be, but I quite like that actually. Oh. Oh frig yes. I'm actually going to take my 05 brush for this. It's a wee bit smaller, so I can be quite precise, especially in at that inner corner with the placement of the glitter. Okay, so just really making sure that all that glitter is like pressed into the lids. Okay, so I'm now going to take this setting spray. This is from Revolution and it's the Superfix Super Hold Mist and Spray. Usually whenever I'm doing a glitter makeup look, whenever I'm finished, I will go in with a setting spray that is meant to kind of hold and set makeup in place, because obviously glitter is notorious for like falling down onto the face, onto the lashes throughout the day, or just whatever. It's a whole mess, it's a drama. So I kind of find that whenever you're finished and you give your eyes just a wee spritz of setting spray, I just kind of find that it just sets the glitter in place as well. So I'm just going to give the eyes a wee spritz. So what's everybody's plans for Christmas this year anyway? I don't even think I've asked you yet. Like, do you stay at home for Christmas? Do you go to family for Christmas? Do you travel anywhere for Christmas? Obviously this is me and Kyle's first Christmas in our own house, so we have decided to just have Christmas here, the two of us. Like just Christmas dinner though, just having Christmas dinner here, the two of us, and then I think my parents and my sister will be coming up on Christmas night to see us, and then I think in the evening time we're going to go round to Kyle's parents' house, because obviously with it being like me and Kyle's first year like being away from like our parents' house, and you know we still like to see like both sides of the family, you know, so I think that's what we're going to do. But I'm actually looking forward to it. Part of me was like, oh shit, and I really wasn't looking forward to it, like it just being the two of us for Christmas. And like this is the first Christmas dinner I've ever made. I started to panic a wee bit, and but I feel like just because it's the two of us, like I don't need to impress anybody. I don't need to worry about giving somebody food poisoning or killing them or something, I don't know. It's literally just going to be another dinner just for the two of us, but I think it is going to be quite nice with it just being the two of us, but I just don't feel like it's going to be feeling Christmassy, you know what I mean? I was just using the Revolution Miracle Cream there, and for foundation I'm going to be mixing the Be Perfect and True Match. I do not know how many bottles of this foundation I have, and every single one of them, the pump is shit. And I'm thinking to myself, is there anybody that works within Be Perfect Cosmetics? Do none of them use this foundation and maybe think of saying to somebody within the production team or that works with the pump, you might want to have a word. This foundation is going to look a wee bit dark, but I'm matching it to the rest of my body because all the fake tan has washed off my face, and I think I'm actually going to take off my tan and redo it tonight, because this is actually why I'm wearing a turtleneck. It's because it's looking a tad skanky. Look at that, look at that. Okay, so I think the foundation's a wee bit orange, so I think I'm going to put a wee bit more concealer on just to kind of balance it out a wee bit. So this is the H&B Cosmetics concealer sponge. I think I'm going to have to get Kyle up by the end of the tutorial, see if he likes my eye makeup. I actually think this is my favourite look so far out of all the Christmas makeup looks I've done. This is looking so nice, so easy as well. I even think you could even do this for like New Year's Eve or something, even if it was like a black glitter, red glitter. Oh my god, could you imagine a red glitter, red lip, glitter red lip? Oh, stop. So I'm going to try this new cream bronzer from Doll Beauty. This is the Green Contour Magic Wand. This is in the shade medium. Ooh. Oh, that looks like a good shade. Yes. Because I have the Gimme Sun cream bronzer, the one that comes in like the actual compact, like the pan. And I got the shade Light, I think. And it is too light, to be honest. Especially because like 9 out of 10 times I'm tanned anyway, but so it's a wee bit too light. Like it does a wee bit of something, but not enough. Like it's definitely not as dark as that. But that looks like a pretty good colour actually. Oh yeah. So I'm taking the BK Beauty 101 brush. I used the other BK Beauty brush I have. These are both 101 brushes by the way. I used the bigger one to do my foundation, and then this is the wee mini travel size one, like a kid is, to apply and blend out my cream bronzer. I've been loving recently the Refi double-ended brush for cream bronzer and cream products and stuff, but I don't know, keep on coming back to this wee one. I just put a lot of makeup in my hair. Sick. I wonder if I just and I also have a discount code for a BK Beauty as well, by the way. I think it's just Emma10 in all capitals, for obviously 10% off site-wide. And it's a pretty luxury makeup brush brand, by the way, because like they are quite pricey. But the brushes that I've used so far are honestly so good. Like especially the 101 brush for foundation, cream bronzer, and cream contour, just any cream or liquid product. Just a bit of cream blush now. This is Peach Sugar from Made by Mitchell. I haven't tried this shade before. It's a wee bit pinkier than I thought it was going to be, but oh well, we'll see. Big hair. I'm just going to back my under eyes around my mouth. This honestly feels so weird sitting here filming on a Sunday. It's usually my day off. I'm going to be taking the MAC Whisper of Guilt highlight. I'm just going to apply a wee bit of this. Oh, so something I might be meaning to actually ask is would you want a New Year's Eve tutorial? I obviously have all my tutorials planned out for this week actually, Monday right through to, I'm not too sure whether I'm going to finish or have my last day of uploading on the Friday or the Saturday. I know Saturday's Christmas Eve and I don't usually like to upload a video on Christmas Eve because honestly on Christmas Eve the last thing I'm doing is sitting watching a makeup tutorial, so I think probably Friday might be my last upload day and like last video of the year. But I was maybe thinking, obviously after Christmas there's obviously that week where we haven't a clue what's going on, we haven't a clue what day it is, what date it is, what's going on, but it's obviously before New Year's Eve. I was maybe thinking of filming and uploading like a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial or something. So let me know if that's something you would want. In my head I kind of have a fair idea on what I want to do. Obviously some black, silver, glitter, pigments, gems, wee diamante things, because I'm obviously having a wee Christmas party or a wee New Year's Eve party, just me and Kyle, and I'm thinking of maybe like going completely like all out in my outfit, all out in my hair and makeup. So I was maybe thinking of doing a wee trial run on my makeup and actually just filming it for you guys and putting it up on my channel before New Year's Eve if you want to take inspiration or anything from it. So do let me know if that's something you would want, like a wee New Year's Eve tutorial, and I'll get that done for you. I'm now taking the Be Perfect highlight. I'm just doing a wee bit of my nose. Honestly, see if you see the fake tan on my hands, please ignore that. I'm scrubbing it all off tonight. It's just at that stage where look at that. Literally like from my stomach up, tiger bread. I'm just tiger bread. Obviously it is the season and all that. I'm going to go a wee bit more extra on my highlight and my cheeks. Give me all the glitter. Taking the Vive Pesca blush. This wee one here. Still a mega brand I have yet to fully try. How many months, years have I actually been saying Like, I really must try and get some more products from Vive, and I meant to over like the Black Friday sales because I'm stingy and I'm tight, but I never got around to it, so definitely if it's the last thing I do in the new year, I really must try most of her products. But this wee blush here is gorgeous. It's like the perfect colour, so it is beautiful. Love it. And then my wee bronzer. This is from the brand Grays. This wee bronzer here. I just got this from Beauty Bay. I'm just going to do a wee bit of bronzing just at the cheeks. Just have this one random hair. Where are you supposed to go? Please get back to your designated seat area, ma'am. I don't know whether to do anything in my lower lash line or not. I was actually maybe thinking of doing like really heavy mascara and that's it. Like, I don't know if I want to smoke it out or anything. I kind of want all the party to be on the lids. I'm not sure yet, but lips anyway. So I'm going to be checking BFF from Colourpop. Taking the P. Louise lipstick. I'm going to take, oh that's pale, one of these, what are these? NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. Oh, that one's nice. London. I still absolutely love these, you know. The Soft Matte Lip Creams from NYX. Ew. It's all on my teeth. For my lower lash line mascara, I'm going to take this one from Hourglass. It's the Caution Mascara. I actually got this in the Cult Beauty Advent Calendar. Wow. Oh my god. Oh no, I don't know if that's ruined it or not. Has it? Looks clumpy here. Oh, I love it. Oh, I invite Kyle up to see what he thinks. Kyle! Kyle! Come here! I want to show you my makeup.
Oh wow.
Do you like
Nice.
it?
Like that.
Didn't take too long, didn't it?
No, definitely not.
Do you like it?
I do, it's lovely. It's very pretty.
Festive.
Very festive.
Yeah.
Are you going to put some red lipstick on?
No.
Oh, boo.
Thought it'd be a wee bit too much.
Definitely not. You're never too much.
No.
Still love your hair though. That's class.
Oh, do you like my hair?
That's so cool.
I know.
Yeah.
Come here. It's an absolute mess. We haven't got our Christmas haircut yet.
No, I look like Forrest Gump.
You don't.
I do, I always do that there. Been running for days.
Bye.
Bye.